This was once an industrial site. There were quarries, tree cutting, and lime kilns. Fall Creek is north of Santa Cruz by the town of Felton. Come early, the parking lot fills up. I'm hiking to the lime kilns. Almost immediately, you are hiking in a hushed forest. The creek's gentle melody creates a sense of serenity. Hundred-year-old redwoods create a cathedral above the trail. Petite blooms ornament the forest ground. The lime kilns are located on this side trail. This native plant thrives in the moist soil. This glimpse of working conditions is sobering. Limestone was heated to 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. Dynamite blasted limestone from the cliffs above the site. Thousands of redwoods were incinerated to keep the kilns blazing. By 1919, the surrounding hills were barren. Today, glorious maple leaves glow in shafts of sunlight. I'm climbing up to the ridge to continue my hike. Our crews are removing deadwood that would fuel fires. In 2020, the CZU fire swept through the forest. Occasional high winds may topple top-heavy redwoods. Thinning and prescribed burns help keep the forest healthy. My hike through history has come to an end. What's amazing is that, with time, an amazing redwood forest can grow in a damaged landscape. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegolden state.com.